first tool, we are going to talk about the competitor research here and how we can do competitor research, like the keyword biased, brand level, seller level, ASIN level, etc., etc. If you are selling one of these products, and meanwhile, I suppose you sell this product, and you want to analyze how is the sales and how new products, what the kind of new products they are launching. For that, you just copy their brand name and they come to SellerSprite to put the brand name here, like brand name here, and search now. We are gonna pull all the products they sell. Right now they have 12 products, and from here you can see their the sales trend, how it is changing over the time. Units sold, the revenue is 69,000 last 30 days. You can also see from here the variation sold, how many units, so all the variation. We have more the columns here, like the FBA fee, price, packaging weight. I just remove it because I didn't need it. But if you want to customize, you can customize this column from here. And if you want to see the product history, and for example, they launched in 2023, just come here. Then we are going to see the sales trend. Like last 30 days, last year, previous year, since the product launched. They launched around October 2023. Since that time, you can see everything here. Also, you can see, let's see, set table. If you go more deep, you can see variation sold, historical trend. We integrated with AI. It's gonna work with AI, and they say when they did the Black Friday deal, price change, got the review the sales correlation, and the price. Maybe they changed the price, how it affected the sales, just in different time frame. If they did the price change in 2024 February, and how it resulted the sales after changing the price. Important keyword you can see from here, or you can see also a rating velocity, how many reviews they got in different time frame, maybe last year, previous year. This is the keywords search volume is changing. It's kind of since 2021, the keyword search volume are pretty similar, up and down, but the average is similar. And all of those keywords we track January 2017. Any keyword search volume you can see in the February 2017 or 2017 December from here. Guys, this is in the brand level. If you want to check it on the seller level, the same seller ID, their seller ID, just the copy from here, seller ID, and they put the seller section, and you are gonna find there all the products if they have different brands and different product on the one account. And meanwhile, you can track from here as well. I don't want to go to more deep, but it's very comprehensive to analyze any level, ASIN, the key ASIN, the brand, seller, or the keyword level. It's last 30 days comparison. If you want to compare this guy and like in 2024 September, you just select it and the search now. And all of those data we are going to show you in 2024 September. How it works, because sometimes there is a seasonal product like summer product, winter product, or this kind of the product, and when we select at different time, we select the previous year's that time frame. For example, nowadays it's Christmas time. Christmas products are selling well. You need to select last year, and because this year data maybe it's not that good, so we go to 2024 and then selecting October. So we will see, okay, how is the sales, how is the everything last year in October full. We could do similar because the keywords, they are going to fluctuate, but normally it's similar as previous year. Okay, Evan, do you have any question related to this competitor research, or if you have, please go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense, man. We plug in either the ASIN or the seller or the brand name or the keyword. And then again, we get the data. And this can help us if we want to maybe optimize our product for, let's say, I don't know, say Christmas time is coming. So we see how our competition did in the past year. So we can see how many units we need to order, for example. So if we see that sales are increasing and we don't yet know how much, we can check the sales data for that time last year or the year beforehand. It depends on the category, I believe. If it's not, if it's a new category, it might not have the data, but if it's an old one, it will. And then, we can use the data this way. Or again, if we're looking into launching this product, then we can see is it a growing niche or not, etc. So it's a nice tool. It puts it all in one place. And, there's a lot to go into little details here, but it's kind of clear. There's the sales revenues, how many variations the listing has. And as you mentioned, there are sub tools to that tool where we can see the reviews and how they've been accumulating them, etc. Nice tool. Recommend people to check it out to play with it. But yeah, good for product research, for our current stock optimization if we want to see previous sales data, and probably tens of or hundreds of other uses for it. So yeah, man, makes sense.